Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous high-end hydrangea wreath. I recently went to Michael's scoping out what they had. They had a 70% off sale for all of their stems, so I had to grab these gorgeous hydrangeas. I just love the different colors of these, and I grabbed these brown oak leaves. They're more pink. I thought the color complemented the hydrangeas so well, and it really brings this into fall. Who can resist 70% off? The bushes and things at Michael's were 60% off, but I just love the quality of the stems even more. These are big and the color and quality is so good. I love hydrangeas this time of year. They're starting to dry out and die back a little bit, but they're so pretty. So I grabbed all of this, and we're also using a 14-inch grapevine, my favorite hot glue and hot glue gun, and my favorite wire cutters. All my favorite tools are linked in the description, and I will link these materials from Michael's that I'm using as well. One thing that might be helpful while we're making this, and I'll show you in a minute, is just some extra trash stems. I save these to use to make longer picks for leaves. And since I'm going to be using the leaves for these hydrangeas, but I'm going to pull them off separately, they have pretty good stems. You could use those, but I like to add in a little extra length, and it just makes it go nicely into the grapevine for free. So I'm actually going to pull off all the leaves. I like these leaves better than these, but it is nice to have two different colors. I don't know if I'm going to need all of these leaves, but I'm going to start adding some stems to them. So you just cut your picks. I don't think I'll need all of them. And then you just dab a little bit of glue into the hole under the stem and just stick that there. And we have a nice sturdy pick. I'm going to use all of this color and then just the best ones of the other color. At least that's my plan. And this is a nice wreath to make if you're in a hurry. It comes together really quickly. Now these definitely need a stem because there is no stem connecting it. So it's extra helpful with these leaves. Now we're just going to place the leaves along the grapevine. Just sporadically. Our hydrangeas are going to go on top of these. This is just a backdrop. I think I need one more. All right, so I'm just going to get these cut. There's no going back now. Now that I've cut the stems. Aren't these so pretty? Oh, I love them. Okay, so I have 4 of these and 6 of these. So what you do is you place this along the grain of the grapevine and then bend it forward so it sticks up. Then I'm just going to place these along kind of naturally, not super close together, but still touching. Keeping in mind I have more of these than I have the cream. All right, so this is what we have so far. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, if you wanted it to be just hydrangeas, just buy a few more, and then it'll be nice and full of hydrangeas. But I wanted to mix it up a little bit and add some oak leaves. And I just absolutely love the color of these. They're so pretty. If you're in my VIP group, you know I've been using the heck out of these. And if you're not in my VIP group and you want to learn more about it, I have a link in the description that you can learn more about it and get on the wait list because the doors are not open right now. But if you click that link when the doors are open, you'll be able to join right then. They're only open twice a year, but we've been using these this month for a couple different designs. So these are going to fill in the gaps in between our hydrangeas. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? I love it. I think those oak leaves just really round everything out so nicely. And one more right here, and I think that will be it. And I am bringing the hydrangeas to the forefront because those are our stars. But look at how cute this is. Such a cute wreath for fall. Oh, I love it. This is so fun. And it was so fast. This took me 10, 15 minutes to make. Really easy. And all of this was 70% off. So go to Michael's or go check the description, gather all the things you need. I have all these linked, and then you can just pick up in store if you want, or there's free shipping over a certain amount. But I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of these colors, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.